that, sorry, Nigerians were promised a thorough ministerial screening. Would you say that the Senate is still sticking to that when we saw a lot of take a bow and go yesterday?
Yes, take a bow yesterday is a tradition. Anybody who are seen to take bow and go is either one of the prominent that served Nigeria for a long, or his track record is known to everyone Nigerian, and the National Assembly has a tradition. You serve as a senator, or you serve as an honorable member. It's an honor to read your CV and maybe explain yourself, which they all have the record to ask you to take bow and go. But where we need to do a tour for Nigerians, we used to do it, and you can see. But it's not as whatever we did as a leader, as a leaders, people will look at as if we are not doing enough. The leader did give enough, but he will do his best. So we're doing our best to ensure that we thoroughly interrogate the nominees and to the satisfaction of Nigerians. But as the President says yesterday, we're also saying the same thing, that Nigerians should bear with us. We are there for them on their behalf, and we're going to do our best. And only we need from them to be patient.
Yes, necessary, distinguished. But with your interaction so far with these nominees, are you convinced, are you satisfied with the crop of nominees coming from the president?
Of course, because each and every person brought on board. We believe strongly President has done his thorough, deep investigation about the credibility of each and every one of them. And as we at the National Assembly as well, we are doing our best to do what has been presented to us. And we ask you questions according to your discipline, according to what we're expecting from you. Expecting you have a knowledge, deep knowledge on issue of water resources, issue of finances, issue of education, issue of health. We centered our question on what your profession is. And so far, those that we went through, they have answered satisfactorily, and we are going to do our best to ensure that we put them on for the job. And you see, it's not about only having a credential and not only having a credibility, not only having experience, but sometimes it's about the office you're holding and knowledgeably knowing enough that you are doing a Nigerian business. So you have to do your own best, and at the same time, Nigerians, friends, relatives, to follow you with the prayers. We're all men on men believe. So prayer that will lead us to a success.